Numero 10, Paolo! Tre bernardeschi, bianconeri, sulle sciarpe, fuori!
Good evening, everybody, from the Juventus. What a man he is. He really transformed Locomotive from being the Bernardeschi behind the front two, only his second start this season. He played late on. Eder, who won the Euro 16 title for Portugal, replaces Smolov. And we're off and underway in Turin with Juve in the black and white. Lucio Sarri has an 80% win. Spoke in glowing terms of his new manager yesterday. Looking for Dybala in that penalty area. Quadrado. Oh, just zipped wide, the deflection off Choluka. Is up from the back. Header across goal, Kovacic. Fought that he showed the strength against Bonucci. He's got away, he's had a look. There's it to Ronaldo, covered ground very quick. Quadrado. Quadrado's just flicked the heels. Born keeper. Switch then towards Kovacic. Bonucci chased down by Eder and he just got there, but he looks and wins in 5 here for Juve. He scored all of them. Ronaldo, he scored in all of them. Again, towards Eder. Cushioned header down here to Miranchuk. Ronaldo. Tweedy. Kadira, long stride. Nassib trying to get back at him, and he was just nicked away in the end. Quadrado into Ronaldo. It's Miranchuk. It's just beginning to get a little bit frustrated. Kovacic up to Eder. Look at the green shirts back there. 5 and then 3. In by Alexandro. Ronaldo. Saved easily by Guilherme. Trademark step over. Couldn't get the shot away. Send it back across goal by Dybala. Quadrado, Ronaldo in the middle. Zip to him. Oh, big chance. He knows it as well. Alexandro. Kadira getting forward, away by here's Ronaldo. Space to shoot. First goal is key. Towards Dybala, got away. Bonucci. Ronaldo, ooh, well, he has a look at the flag. Quadrado, Ronaldo, great run into the middle. It down and away by Hervedez, not away far enough, and the shot by Pjanic was deflected up and over. Very poor corner kick. Quadrado was fouled. He's got a run on Murillo. Oh, and it's a big chance that fell to Bonucci, and he should have scored. Bonucci. Here's a chance for João Mario. Parried by Szczesny. Miranchuk, 1-0 Locomotive Moscow. Approaching the half hour. They've soaked up what little Juve have thrown at them. And they've broken out to score. Could this be one of the biggest shots of the competition so far this season? Opened up a gap here for Quadrado. He's got behind Didowu. Touched off by Pjanic, to little of the effort. Pjanic in support. Dybala's to his left-hand side. Bentancur making the run to the edge of the penalty. Pjanic was there. He gets the foul. Aronov to the left of the wall so you can see it. It's hit it though. Back again. Kadira. by Murillo, hit by Quadrado, seen a lot of the ball. Delivery hasn't been great, good safe hands by Guillermo. Did really well, and header now has brought in Ignacio. Cross looking for Ronaldo, it'll drop to him in the end. Keeper came and was fouled by Ronaldo, it won't count. Put in by Dybala, but the whistle had gone a long way before. I have to say. It's Dybala. Deflected out by Ignatieff, actually on loan. Ronaldo. I think. Khedira. Here's Pjanic. Looking for the run of Ronaldo, clever ball away by Euro 16, he's wearing 19, he's on the edge of the penalty area. Out comes Szczesny, it's taken away by his teammate and clear. And he's thought about it. Oh, they left him onside and Dybala over. The goal scorer. Jean-Marie in the middle. Quadrado got across to the far stick. Alexandra defended well. It's hit there by in games. This is earlier than expected. Dybala. Ooh, Chorluka fumes. Thinks he got something. Hit the wall. Keeper thought about coming, got something on it. And he's done so well. He left for the corner, will he? He'll go for goal. Well, not too sure. Quadrado, a little bit more room to get across in. Matuidi, Alexandra. Ronaldo waits in the middle. Coming in behind with the header. Chance fell. Look for Higuain. 86, 5 home league defeats in 261 European competition games. Now Madrid, Manchester United. Give and go with him. Ido read it. Stumble. Met by Hervenet. I think they've been terrific. Locomotive Moscow, but here comes Bentancur with the Higuain on the 6-yard area. Ronaldo coming in. Jean-Marie back to him. Alexandra looking for Ronaldo. Quadrado done well. Got the beating with across the goal. Quadrado again. Keeper thought about coming and did. Here's Dybala now, trying to worm his way through, and he's got through. And it was Dmitry Balinov scuttling. Spoons it over the top. Higuain was in there, Bonucci was in there, Dybala was in there. Just deflecting away and out of play. Pjanic takes it quickly. What was that all about? Well, we're making out of the group. Rabiot. Corner swung away. Headed down powerfully by. Toss them in. Here's Quadrado on the outside of Ido. He's done well again. And it's cleared away by Hervenes and Lukanic. They need to readjust now, get their shape back, and all the way through it goes. Dybala, Ronaldo, Higuain, beautifully done. One of the best moments we've seen so far from Juve. Higuain, better. Bentancur, Dybala couldn't clear his feet, does so now. Alexandro, Higuain with the header, the keeper was absolutely rooted. Header's offside. Dybala, now this does look promising. Playing back in there again. The shot with Bendo! And Juve are level. They've been persistent, going narrow through the middle, time after time, and this time it played on. And the decision of Sarri to start Dybala does pay off in the end. Out by Taran Krychowiak and a mess of it. Alexandra, oh, it's a terrific drive, parried away! Juve lead, they turned it all around, and he has his second. 2 goals in 2 minutes for Dybala, just when the manager, might have been thinking about a change. Two goals that could well have turned his season around.